how to make a PDF file smaller for email attachments. In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress a PDF without losing quality so that you can send it in an email. So if you're trying to send an email and you keep getting an error that the PDF you're trying to send is too big, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make it smaller so that you can send that email. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And to do this, we're going to be using a free tool called pdfgadget.com. Now, full disclosure, I created pdfgadget.com because I wanted to be able to recommend a tool that does not require you to upload your PDFs to a server. So all the tools on this website work directly in the browser on your device, meaning that it's very private. Additionally, it also works on almost any device. So if you're trying to do this on a phone or a computer, Chromebook, MacBook, anything like that, it will work there. And check the description. I'll have a link down there for pdfgadget.com. Once you get here, simply select Compress PDFs in the top menu. And then all we need to do is select a PDF file to compress. From there, just find the PDF that you want to compress. And I have this one right here. And as you can see, it is 6.1 megabytes. So too big to send in an email. Once I select it, I then just need to select the compression level. I'm going to start with low, and then I'll select compress PDF. It's then going to process that PDF, and it'll show me the reduction in size. So this is a 49% reduction down to 2.98. So I'm going to do a medium compression and show you what that looks like. So I'll select compress PDF again, and then I'll select download compress PDF to download it. It'll then open it up where I can then see a preview. And as you can see, it looks very good. Some quality has been lost, but not all of it. It's very readable and the pictures still look great. So to save this, select the save icon in the top right, and then just save it to wherever you want to save it. And now in my folder here, I can see that it's right here, and I have a 1.6 megabyte PDF, which should be able to be sent because under 2 megabytes, you should be able to send it. And I can open it up if I want to, and I can see what that looks like. And there we go. We have now reduced the size of this PDF file to send it in an email. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.